I'm out. So plus 1400 on the day.
Right.
Beautiful trade, man.
Live account. That's live trading, everybody. Upper left-hand corner. That's a live account.
So we're working on another overlay for daily payouts, but I've got last week's data right
Whoa.
here.
Whoa.
Total payouts last week, $2.5 million.
I am not opposed to finding one trade that works for you and sticking to that. I am not opposed to that at all. If you're a trend trader, try to find a trend trade and stay with it as long as you can. You know, Nick has his method, Dakota has his methods. Find what works for you.
Once consistently profit and making good money, how can you avoid feeling guilty about it?
You have the opportunity to profit for assuming risk from other traders. For that risk, you deserve everything you can take out of the marketplace.
Right there, right now. Boom.
Yep.
Yeah, that's it right there.
All right, we're out $8,800. Nice talk.
Beautiful.
Nice team trade. Nice team trade right there.
Seven.
That's right. Who do you think you are?
Love that guy.